to a hold. Show you what it looks like, and then break it down. From the side. The benefits for a figure 8 to a hold is to grease the groove of your hips before your swings to kind of warm up, and it's great trunk stabilization. And when you catch it, you really have to tighten your abs up like you're catching a ball or bracing and doing a little rotation. Okay, so to break it down, you're going to start out with a figure 8 in this half deadlift position. So the bell always goes through the front, and when you pass the bell, it goes from hand to hand, thumb to thumb like this. So you're going to leave room on the handle to pass it, and then aggressively stand up and throw it to your opposite shoulder. Figure 8 to a hold.